Good evening, investors, traders, and possibly angel investors. Just kidding. But anyways, in this video we're going to be talking about Aphria. Aphria stock is popping like no tomorrow. So tomorrow is not the earnings report. It's the day after tomorrow. Tomorrow is the last day for you to gamble on Aphria stock. If Aphria reports good earnings, good reports, we might see a push up in the stock price, but there is one big concern I have about the current stock price right now, and from a charting perspective, it's overbought. It's the RSI is at 78, but I still think that if earnings are fantastic and not horrible, this stock is heading higher. That's my opinion. If CBD website, US CBD website, Aphria stock breaks out. Okay. So yes. So Aphria, if Aphria does good, the stock will break out. If Aphria does bad, the stock will tank. I don't know what Aphria is going to do. I think they're going to do okay. They seem to have a decent market share in the market, and if they can continue, if they can just maintain their market share, they should do pretty good in this earnings report, because everyone should be well aware that the market is $90 million above what Aphria's $90 million above what it was in the previous quarter. So if Aphria can maintain its market share or even gain a little bit of market share, the stock will break out maybe to the upside, but how much to the upside, I don't know. I don't know. I say, at very, very best case scenario, we're going to see this thing, pop to around $7, because, it's already overbought. So if it goes to around $7 it'll be extremely overbought, and it's probably going to plummet back down. But if they don't do good, and the stock might tank. It might just tank big time. So we'll see what happens. There's one thing I can almost guarantee you: Aphria stock will move after earnings, either up or down. That I can almost guarantee. Almost guaranteed. There's a chance it might not do anything and just trade sideways, but I really think that Aphria is either going to continue to move to the upside, or it's going to drop like a rock. We'll see what happens. If you are this is not financial advice, but if you are a shareholder, I would buy some put options just to protect yourself from the stock price falling down. But again, not financial advice. You don't have to do nothing, just whatever. It's your money, so you can do whatever you want with it. But like I said, I have a feeling either it's going to keep going up or it's going to drop like a rock. If Aphria drops like a rock, I think Aurora is going to keep going up. That's my opinion, because somebody is taking the market share, and if Aphria does bad, that means that Aurora is taking significant market share from Aphria. Canopy will probably drop like a rock too. Well, I don't know actually. Canopy might go up if Aphria does well, but we will see. Kron is up 27 cents. If Aphria falls, Kron will fall. Tilray will, I don't know what Tilray will do. I think Tilray will fall too, but I think Aurora is the only one that will pop if Aphria does bad, because everyone's going to assume that Aurora is going to take all the market share, but we will see. So Canadian Nickel Company today, as soon as I made the video, it dipped real bad. Someone bought up the dip, and it's back to 205. So I don't know. I don't know what it's going to do moving forward, but this looks bullish. This looks absolutely bullish right now. If big money keeps pumping the stock, it could list on the Nasdaq or the New York Stock Exchange, or the Nasdaq anyways, because it's a mining company. So it'll probably end up listing in the Nasdaq in the near future here. That's if big money decides to keep pushing the stock price up. I don't know what big money is gonna do. I don't think retail investors all have any interest in pumping a stock, because they don't have enough money to pump a stock in the first place. So it's all dependent on big money. If multiple big money wants to keep pushing the stock price up because they want to see the company, they want to fast track the company by listing on the Nasdaq, giving it more money, by creating a project so then Elon Musk can come in and sign that contract with the Canada Nickel Company. Because like I said, like what Elon Musk said, he says that any company that is doing it environmentally friendly and mining a lot of nickel, we will give them a contract. So Canadian Nickel Company heard that and they're like, okay, you know what? Let's do what Elon Musk wants. Let's try to do it environmentally friendly. And investors like that, and the stock popped. So will it continue? I don't know. At the end of the day, I don't know. We'll see. There was a BNN segment on Canadian Nickel Company. Check it out if you have any free time. FPX Nickel Corp is down today 35 cents. Not too much to say about that. Talon Metals Corp had some news today regarding, drilling programs prior targets outside of its known resource area, while announcing positive test results towards producing nickel sulfates for batteries. So that's good, especially since it's in Minnesota. Maybe they just put that press release out so they can, attempt to pump the stock. I have no idea. At the end of the day, I bought into this company as a gamble because, they have a nickel operation in the United States, and Elon Musk is in the United States. So there's, there's no tension of tariffs, because they just ship it to Elon Musk at the gigafactories. Done deal, right? Advanced Micro Devices today was, trading sideways. Kind of good that it was trading sideways. Why? Because, I don't know, consolidation is really good, especially after just before an earnings report. The thing is, if AMD drops down to $60 again, it just creates a huge buying opportunity, because we know that Zen 3 is coming, and we know Zen 3 is going to kick Intel's butt. And then we know Big Navi 2 is coming, and we know Big Navi 2 will be extremely competitive to NVIDIA. At least that's the rumor right now. And we know that the console launch is coming up. There's a lot of exciting news in AMD, and I think AMD deserves a higher market cap than $80 billion. And I really don't think the stock is just going to drop off after earnings report. I really don't. I could be wrong, but my gut feeling tells me the stock will not drop off after earnings report. But we will see. We will see what happens after earnings report. I'm still very, very bullish on AMD. I think that AMD will spike after earnings report. I could be wrong, and none of this is financial advice, but we will see. Because my gut feeling tells me that the earnings report is going to be better than expected because of all the laptops and server sales that have been happening during the quarter. Or at least the laptop sales. I don't know about servers, but Intel reported really good server sales. So I'm assuming AMD will have at least a very decent amount of server sale, because they did launch Epic. They launched Epic this quarter. So my assumption is Epic did pretty well. And Zen 3 is going to steal a lot of market share from Intel in the server and the CPU space. And the new APUs are getting stellar reviews right now. The frame rates on some of the games are really good at 1080p. I've been watching some of the frame rates, so I don't know. I think if AMD crashes back to $60, it creates a buying opportunity. But I don't know at the end of the day what it's gonna do. I don't. My gut feeling tells me it's gonna keep going up after earnings. I could totally be wrong. We'll see what happens. Vail today up 65 cents, 5.77%. Not too much to say about that. Virgin Galactic is going to be having some kind of big news release tomorrow regarding some kind of spaceships, something deployment, or maybe announcement of a new ship or something like that. So that could pop the stock. I don't know at the end of the day. The market is green today, green. So that's Jim Cramer was completely wrong, and today's the 27th, and the market was green. Gold is up, oil is up, Dow is up. So just the market in general is up. Tesla, TSMC was popping today, and it's still continuing to pop after hours. Intel, while it's doing the exact opposite, it fell 2% today. It fell $1, which is $4 billion. Every dollar Intel falls is $4 billion, and Intel after hours is falling another 18 cents. Tesla stock is popping today, up 8.65%. Looks like the downtrend is over, and it's not a dead cat bounce, and it will continue to move up. That's good. That's very good for longs. Solo had a nice dip today, which created an opportunity, in my opinion. And then they also announced that they're having a presentation at the SNN Network Virtual Investor Conference on Wednesday, August 5th, 2020. I'm looking forward to listening to this. I am closely following this company, and if it dips down to $2, I am adding on to my position. Arcomotive up 7 cents after hours. Not too much to say about that. Blink Charging today up 33 cents, almost 5%. NEO today was down. NEO could be an opportunity right now because Tesla's bullish, so I'm thinking NEO is going to continue to run. I could be wrong. Nikola had a really nice day today, and this after hours is up another 31 cents, 40 cents. See, big money controls Nikola stock. They want to pump it, they will pump it. Intel, already talked about Intel. High blockchain, the high tide today was trading 102 shares, which is absolutely nothing. So doesn't seem like anyone wants to sell or buy, for a matter of fact. So I think this company needs a good earnings report or some kind of good press release in order for the stock to pop to the upside. Very good food company, just trading sideways today. Beyond Meat up $1.63 after hours, is down a little bit. Curaleaf is today was up 69 cents. Cresco Labs today is up 30 cents. Liberal Health Science today was just kind of trading sideways. Harvest Health was up a penny. Cineplex Odeon today was down 15 cents. Like I said, I don't know what Cineplex is going to do. I do not know what Cineplex is going to do. I know that if like airlines and cruise stocks sell off, Cineplex will sell off with it. But it doesn't at these prices. I think it's really attractive because it's basically at all-time lows. Like, it's never been this low in its entire history. So yeah, like 10 years. I don't know. It's probably longer than that. Let's just look from an actual CGX. See, $9.90 when it IPO'd in November 2003. And right now, it's trading at $7.81. And this was the interview that I was talking about. I'm not going to play it because I will get demonetized. Bitcoin today was popping. And high blockchain technology today was also popping. It's up 9.5%. 12.5 million shares traded. That is insane amount of shares traded. Not too much to say about that, but yeah. So it's looking good, looking very positive. So if Hive can trade up like that with 333 million shares, I'm thinking that like Talon Metal Corp can do the same thing. So it all depends on nickel prices. If nickel prices go up, and maybe they get a contract with Elon Musk, this thing could really pop to the upside and go to $1. So this could be a 5x return on investment or a 4x return on investment depending on when you buy it. It all depends though. I'm bullish on nickel right now, so yeah. Anyways, that's it for my video. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.